Welcome to Knowledge Assumption. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up YouTube TV on your Amazon Fire TV stick. I'll display the steps on the screen. Please make sure you follow each one of them. Let's get started. First, make sure your Fire Stick is connected to your TV and powered on. From the Fire TV home screen go to the search icon at the top left corner. Type YouTube TV and select the app from the search results. Click Get or Download to install the app on your Fire TV stick. Once the download is complete, open the YouTube TV app and select Sign In. You will be shown an activation code. On a smartphone or computer, go to tv.youtube.com, start and enter the code displayed on your TV. Follow the prompts to sign in with your YouTube account. You're all set. Now you can enjoy a wide variety of shows and live sports right from your Fire TV stick. Hit the subscribe button for more helpful tips.